How to play Monopoly Go on PC. So this is a very easy tutorial. You just have to go to any web browser and kindly look for Monopoly Go BlueStack. Okay, so you just have to follow this one and then press enter. Now you see this one here, right? Monopoly Go BlueStack. You just have to tap that one and then tap this Play Monopoly Go on PC. Click this one and you will be notified right here that it is now starting to download. Once done, click the folder or download folder. Then here you see this blue stack. Right click and run as administrator. Okay, so as you can see, it is now processing. Okay, now once you see this, you just have to open and then click install now. So it will take a few minutes, so you have to wait for that. So sometimes it depends on your PC's settings or your internet, something like that. So here it is. Now you have to wait again. And then once you're done downloading Google Play, you have to search for Monopoly Go here and then wait as it is processing again. So as you can see, click install from Google Play, tap this one. Now once done, what you're going to do here is to simply sign in your Google account. Okay, so sign in to find the latest Android apps, games, movies, music, and more. Tap sign in and then type your email and your password. So you can see this one, tap next, and then click install. And then once done, click play. Okay, so as you can see, you can now play your Monopoly Go on your PC. And that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.